Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. We're going to explain the symptoms of bad NOx sensors on BMW X3. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder gasoline engine, but even if you have 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder gasoline diesel engine, the procedure is practically the same, guys. The symptoms of bad NOx sensors will be about the same. Now, quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically on BMW we make even more than that, 400 to 500 videos, guys. Why? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. And all we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you need to buy new sensors, replacement parts or tools, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them for your convenience. Specifically, we have N52 6-cylinder engine, guys, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, we're going to explain what needs to be done. First, you will need to disconnect your car battery because you will need to remove the intake manifold and you will be working very close to the engine starter. Okay, on most engines will be that way, guys. And every time you remove the intake manifold, put new gaskets, guys, okay? Because that's number one reason for vacuum leak after you disassemble your BMW. Now, when you disconnect the car battery, it really matters, guys, which terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative. That is something super important that can cause damage to the electrical system and modules on your BMW. So, if you don't know that, we have a special video that explains that for every car, and we'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Once you do that, okay, we guys have 2 NOx sensors, okay, that we're going to cover. 4 or 6 cylinders, most of them will have 2 sensors. Okay, one controls the first half of the engine, the second one controls the second half, guys. But what the NOx sensors detect if you have early detonation, guys, if the fuel and air mixture is ignited too early, guys, and as a result that is considered a knock. Okay, it will sound kind of like a knock. The sensor will detect it as a vibration and it will tell the computer we need to change the timing. Okay, we need to change the timing, ignition timing, so that could be fixed and the engine will run more efficient and more smooth. Now, another thing, guys, if you don't fix the problem, okay, you may end up needing new engine if you keep driving like that for a long time. But some of the symptoms, guys, the most popular ones that we detect here at the shop for NOx sensors, okay, number one, your engine light will be almost on every time, and you will have a code for NOx sensor. Number two, hesitation, rough idle, slow acceleration, loss of power, increased fuel consumption, guys. Okay, and all of these could be just because of NOx sensors. Now, if you guys, okay, if you want to see a video how to remove and replace your NOx sensors, we'll have them on the channel as well, guys, and it will explain everything from start to finish, so make sure you check it out. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure something like that out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.